Hi, Jose. What do you have today?
Hey, how you doing?
Good. How are you? What do you have?
Huh?
What do you have for us?
Oh, I have a 22-foot Reefer.
Okay.
It goes down to 25 degrees, so it goes down and pretty good, pretty low.
Okay.
It has a standby.
Electric standby here. So it's legal in California. It's a 2016.
Yes.
So it's coming off of Freightliner 2016. And it has about 9,250. We're going to show the reefer hours.
Okay.
And we're going to show the temperature going down. And so right now, let's see, temperature. It shows 82. And when I started it, it was like 88, 89.
Okay.
So the truck has 205,000 miles. So, all right. So we're going to measure the entrance on the door. The door entrance.
Oh, okay. Let's do it.
Yeah. So it's a 22 foot long. And as you can see, no body damage. Very clean. No body damage. And it's a Carrier 660. So as soon as you open the door, it has a sensor. So it stops. It stops running.
Yes.
Yeah. So as you can see, it's beautiful, beautiful box. Look at that.
So it has it's 88 inches wide.
88 wide and I think it's easier to do it in the corner. Yeah.
It's okay.
And
87.
87. So 88 by 87, the door entrance. And I'm going to get inside here to show. As you can see, everything is good. And Jose here is going to install it for you.
Yes, sir.
And look at that, the door, everything is good to go. So we're just going to go and show the reefer hours. And that will be it. Anything else I forgot to show? And it's a California truck, no rust. There's no rust on this body. Look. See, it's starting right now again. And I'm going to show you the reefer hours. See, engine hours, 9,023. And there you have it. It's just about to start again. Supra 660. And Jose, how long does it take to install?
It's same day.
Yeah.
When you come, you be here at 6 a.m. That's what time we start, and then you should be able to go back around 3 or 4 o'clock. Go back home, ready to work.
Thank you. And you also have a 18-foot one.
18-foot one.
There's also an 18-foot one, so we can take another video for that one.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Jose.
You're welcome.